Today, we have some exciting news to share about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Could this be the year that Samsung finally beats Apple in the performance game? Stick around as we dive into the details of the Galaxy S25 Ultra and its potential to outshine the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to make waves in the tech world. The S25 series is expected to feature cutting-edge 3nm chips with different models sporting either the Exynos 2500 or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, depending on the region. This dual-chip strategy is intriguing, but today we're focusing on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and its potential to power the Galaxy S25 Ultra to new heights. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is generating a lot of buzz. Scheduled for an October 2024 announcement, this chip could be a game-changer for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Early benchmarks from Geekbench are promising. In tests, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 scored an impressive 2,884 points in the single-core test and 8,840 points in the multi-core test, paired with 12 GB of RAM. Let's put those numbers in context. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, a current benchmark for performance, remember, these tests are on prototype devices with non-final software, so we can expect even better performance in the final consumer products. The iPhone 16 Pro series is rumored to feature a chip that offers only marginal improvements over its predecessor. This gives the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 equipped Galaxy S25 Ultra a solid chance to either match or exceed the iPhone 16 Pro Max in CPU performance. Graphics performance is another area where the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 shines. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 already surpasses the iPhone 15 Pro Max's GPU, and with the Adreno 830 GPU in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, this trend is likely to continue. Gamers and heavy users will appreciate the enhanced graphics capabilities. Diving into the technical details, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 reportedly features two high-performance Oryon CPU cores clocked at 4.09 GHz or higher and six power-efficient cores at 2.78 GHz. The Adreno 830 GPU brings modern gaming features, and the chipset is fabricated on TSMC's advanced 3nm process node. So what else can we expect from the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Along with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, the S25 Ultra is rumored to come with up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. The design is also getting a refresh, featuring a more rounded back and a sleek titanium frame. Camera enthusiasts, this one's for you. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to boast a 200-megapixel primary rear camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and two 50-megapixel telephoto cameras with 3x and 5 optical zoom, respectively. This setup promises to deliver stunning photos and videos, making it a strong contender in the smartphone photography arena. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 globally, the Galaxy S Ultra and its potential to outshine the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Are you excited about the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yedon also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.